Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I am super excited because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So I already have my Christmas background up. I want to do, this month I want to do holiday looks, so reds and lots of like glitter. And today I wanted to do like a icy blue look, so I took out as many palettes that I could find that had blue, or that I could think of because I didn't go through them all. So I brought back out that Ace Beauty palette because it has these blues here. The lighter blue is like a little, has some shimmer, but this is matte, so that's why I think I'm going to use that. We'll see how it goes because the last time I brought out that palette I didn't end up using it. I brought out this palette because it has the white and this light blue and this. I don't know if I'm going to use this palette. I just have it out just in case. So I'm going to have it open so I can kind of keep an eye on the color. Just Still a Miss. And this Storybook palette. I actually really like this palette. I love the colors in it. So this has like blues in it as well, but these blues are shimmers. So I'm thinking if I'm going to use a blue, it's going to be this one or this one here at the bottom. Probably the one at the bottom. And then I brought out my United Shades of Glitter from, I guess this is from Rude Cosmetics. Okay. And this is what this palette's looking like. And I'm looking at this one or this one to use. We shall see. I don't know. But first, I think I'm going to go in to the Storybook palette. I want to at least put like a transition color down before I start going in with the blue. And I'm going to use, I need to wash my brushes. Let's just use this. Let me see. Okay. I'm going to use this palette. It's called, I mean not this palette, this color is called Spindles, so that light pink. Just very lightly. See, not even too much, barely can even see that it's there. And now I want to go into this Ace, I don't know if it's Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty, but I'm going to go into this dark blue and start putting that on my lid. Okay, and now that I've put that on, I'm just kind of blending it out a bit. And this color is called Sky from the Ace Beauty palette. Okay, this eye looks a little bit darker than this eye, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, let's take some of Spindle and just lightly blend that at the top. Okay, now, okay, so let me show you the colors from this Ace Beauty palette. This is called Dew, this light blue here. It's kind of sparkly. And that's what that looks like. And then for this palette, so we have Castle here, and then we have Fairies down here. So I'm going to take Castle first. And that's what that looks like. Oh, I like that. And then here's Fairy. Okay, so these colors show up a little bit more. So I'm going to go into the Storybook palette. So let me put this Ace Beauty palette aside, and we're going to go into the Storybook palette. But first, let me cut my crease so that way the colors show up a bit better. Kind of nervous to use the glitters in the Rouge Cosmetics palette because glitter gets everywhere. It's hard to get off. I'll be wearing it all week once I put it on. Okay. So that's done. Now I'm going to just take the color Fairies. Let me show you again. So this color Fairies, I'm going to take that. Let me spray. I'm just using, this is what I have next to me, the Rose Water by Mario Badescu. And now I'm going to take Castle, which is this color here, and just put it on the edge. And I'm just like patting it on and then slowly moving it over to kind of blend out with the lighter blue, which is Fairies. I don't want to take away Fairies because I want the look to be like an icy blue, but I also want to have this blue blend in a little bit more because I'm going to take the darker blue sky from that Ace Beauty palette and I'm going to blend that more inward. So taking Sky again, which is a dark blue, and I'm just pressing it into my corner crease here and like softly blending it forward, bringing it in like that. Yeah. Right now I'm just tapping it on there to kind of blend it out. I'm not brushing it, I'm just like tapping. Okay. And the glitter got a little bit in my crease, so I'm just blending that back out. Alright. Now I'm going to do eyeliner, but I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to, what is this that I picked up? Essence eyeliner pen. It's waterproof. So I'm just going to go to the very edge of my me try. It's not showing up as dark as I would like, so I'm going to use the Essence Super Last Eyeliner. This is also waterproof, but the tip is different. This goes on a little bit more liquidy and black. Okay. I don't know what mascara I want to use. I'm just going to use this Trestique. I've used this before. So I didn't end up using the glitter, obviously, but I'm going to keep it out just in case. Okay, so this is good at separating them, but it's not coating the way I like. So let's go in with I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara, Essence. Essence mascaras are like $3.99. I was just on Ulta yesterday and adding a bunch of stuff to my cart. Okay, let's do our under eye. For the under eye, I'm going to go blue. Okay. And I do have a lot of fallout. Okay, so I'm going to take this NYX Professional Eyeliner in Sunrise Blue. We're going to put that in our waterline. Okay. Just like that. And then let me grab the Before the Party palette that I still have sitting here, because I'm just going to add an inner corner highlight. I'm using the Twinkle Twinkle, this white from this palette. I'm going to see how that comes out. Okay. That looks good. Let's do our bottom lash is okay. Can't find my Velvet Teddy, but by MAC, so I'm going to use this Revolution color in, it's called Iconic or Inspiration, and it looks like this. And then over top of that, I'm going to put this Essence. This is Friends of Glamour, so this is number 3. So I'm going to use these two. And then to line my lips, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and it is in the color Bear to Comment. So I just ended up filling in my lips with that lip liner. So I really like that color. Now I'm just going to go over top. And this was the Revolution. It's a matte nude lipstick, colors Inspiration. And then I'm going to put a pink glitter gloss on top from Essence. Okay, I'm just going to spray some setting spray, some mattifying priming spray. I already added some spray before I started doing my makeup, or after I finished my face. Alright, fan it. Alright, so this is the look that I came up with. Before I go, this is the second wig that I got from Wig Types, and she is called Charisma. She is a lace front 13x6 synthetic wig, and says perfect hairline. I don't know how I feel about it. This is the first time wearing it. I literally just put it on my head today, so I don't have any thoughts or opinions just yet. I like the style. She's very, very soft, so I like that. But I haven't attempted to comb out these curls or these waves that she has in there, so I don't know what that's going to look like once I do. But for now, I'm going to leave it exactly how it was when it came out the package. And then this is the eye look that I did. So I went for like an icy blue eye look for you. I've already made sure I'll put the palettes down below, so that way you remember which ones I used. I did use 2 palettes pretty much. So Storybook Cosmetics palette, and then this Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. And this is what I came up with. So I hope you like this look. And I will see you back for the next holiday look. Thanks for watching.
Christmas!